Hey, what's going on to the best friends and family on YouTube? So, as you can see, I got new headlights. So these are DEPO headlights from Rock Auto, and they were $1,600 shipped to my door, and they came in almost no time at all. So I am happy to announce that they have fixed all of the issues I had with the lights. So, yes. We are back in business. See, look at that. And the signals don't go 100 miles an hour anymore. So I'm happy to announce that those are fixed. I did find the culprit of the problem. And the culprit of the problem was the plug in the passenger side light. Not that you guys really care, but this was all corroded and gross. So I actually got a new plug and I threw these up for sale. And I was honest about them, obviously. I'll just throw in the plug with them. However, it's almost done and it's just starting to look so beautiful. And this thing is such a joy to drive. If you get a chance to buy a 350Z, they are not going to like throw your head back in the seat, but they are fun to drive and very, very well handling cars. You could modify them and make them faster, of course, but from the factory, I just love the way this thing drives and it gets a lot of attention because it's a good looking car. But we're on to the next problem. See, I fix all these problems and we're on to problem number probably 11. That's not supposed to be loose like that. The freaking stud, when I was doing to do the lights, you have to take the bumper off. When I was taking this wheel off to get at the bolts easier with the quick jacks, this rounded out the stud. So like, and it wasn't me. It wasn't an idiotic thing that I did. If it was, I would tell you guys. But it just like totally rounded, like without any, effort really. So now I have to fight with that. I got obviously 4 out of 5. It's not ideal. I'm not going to track the car yet. But I only have 4 out of the 5. So yeah, that's the next problem, but we're making it all good. 6-speed fluid is done. Rear end fluid is done. Oil's done. Coolant's done. Brakes and clutch is next. But first, we got to get that off. Hopefully I don't have to do it from the back, like take the hub off. We're going to try cutting it tomorrow, Tyler and I. So just want to give you guys an update. All right, till the next one. Peace.